Lena is alone at night. The big house is dark and very quiet. Suddenly, a phone rings. The sound is loud in the silent house. Lena looks at the phone. It is an unknown number. She feels a little scared. She decides not to answer. The phone stops ringing. For a moment, it is quiet again. But then, the phone rings a second time. This time, Lena slowly reaches for it. She answers the call. She says, "Hello?" But there is no reply. No one speaks. She only hears quiet breathing on the other end of the line. The sound is strange and scary. Lena quickly hangs up the phone. Her hands are shaking. A few seconds later, the phone rings again. This time, she does not answer. A new message appears on the screen. Lena opens it. The message has only 2 words. Look outside. Lena's heart starts to beat faster. She is scared, but also curious. She slowly walks to the living room window. She pulls the curtain a little bit to look outside. The street is empty. No cars, no people. Everything is dark and still. But Lena feels like someone is watching her. She feels a chill run down her back. Just then, her phone buzzes again. Another message. This one is short and terrifying. It says, "I see you." Lena gasps and quickly closes the curtains. She runs to the front door and makes sure it is locked. She checks the back door too. It is also locked. Her heart is beating like a drum. She feels trapped in her own home. Suddenly, all the lights in the house turn on by themselves. The house is now bright, but this only makes things scarier. It means someone is inside the house with her. Lena hears slow footsteps. Thump, thump, thump. The steps are coming from upstairs. They are getting closer and closer. Lena needs to hide, now. She quickly looks for a place to hide. She runs into the kitchen and hides inside a dark pantry. She closes the door very quietly. She holds her breath, trying not to make a single sound. Her body is trembling with fear. In the dark, her phone vibrates one more time. It's another message. She looks at the screen. The message is simple and final. Too late. At that moment, Lena screams. She can't hold it in anymore. The footsteps stop right outside the pantry door. The doorknob starts to turn. Suddenly, the front door of the house bursts open. Bright lights fill the hallway. Lena hears loud voices. "Police! Is anyone here?" It's the police. They are here to save her. A kind neighbor heard her scream and called for help. The police find Lena crying in the pantry. They tell her she is safe now. The danger is gone. The long, scary night is finally over. Lena learned a very important lesson. Always lock your doors. And always trust your feelings when you are scared. Some calls are just pranks, but this one was real. Fred. Thank you for watching. View.